back this morning, people. For those that haven't seen a woodpecker, so Ellis is on bail. Done a week in the penthouse, the Barley prison, and then I got him straight back out. Mr. Undercover, or whoever he is. Time is 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm just getting in from walking the dog. You gotta be careful with a woodpecker. Slightest movement and he's away. I've got the dog locked in. That's why he's here. I've got an old video in my videos where I caught 3 woodpeckers at once in my garden. It's on video. If you want to help feed the wild birds like I do, you can help me by donating to me Buy Me a Coffee. Because I use me Buy Me a Coffee's money anyway for me birds, I do. No matter what I get it for. Gotta be careful with these cunts. The link for the description for the Buy Me a Coffees in the comment box, description box below. If you want to help feed the birds. There's a woodpecker back, people. They like their nuts. So do the birds. I've gone through some, I'll tell you. They like the soft seeds, these birds. Like peanuts are soft, sunflower seeds are soft, sunflower hearts I use mostly. But all soft seeds, not hard stuff. I'll be renting this shed out someday when my missus opens our bed and breakfast thing. Some bird garden to rent, innit, for the bird watchers. All these tits and blue tits and all young'uns at the minute. Anyway, there's a few minutes of me bird garden for you with a woodpecker.